In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix unable to reset this PC error on Windows. Let's get started. This is a common Windows problem and usually happens due to system file corruption or because the Windows recovery environment is disabled. First, try enabling the Windows recovery system. So in the search box, type in command prompt. After it appears, click on Run as Administrator. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you'll need to type in the command prompt reagency /disable and press enter. This will disable the recovery environment. After that, type reagency /enable and press enter to re-enable it again. Now restart your PC and check if the reset option is working. If the issue still continues, we will repair system files. Open command prompt again. Now type sfc/scan now, then press enter. This will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair them. The process may take some time, so be patient until it reaches 100%. After that, run another command prompt DISM /online/cleanup -image /restore health. This will also take a few minutes to complete, but it helps fix deeper Windows image issues. Once both scans are done, restart your PC and try resetting again. If this solution didn't work out for you, launch settings, go to system, navigate to the option recovery. Here you're gonna find the option of advanced startup, click on restart now. Then head over to the option startup repair and let Windows attempt an automatic fix. If needed, you will also have the option to reset your PC while keeping your files or removing everything completely. And as a last option, you can create a Windows bootable USB and reinstall Windows Fresh on your device. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix unable to reset this PC error on Windows. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.